So hi guys, and welcome back. So this is just my sketch my next tattoo with me. This isn't actually gonna be my next tattoo. It's gonna be the tattoo after the next tattoo I'm gonna get, but regardless, like this one's coming up soon. I'd basically seen this picture on Instagram of this tarot card, and I was like, oh my god, that looks so good. Like I wanted one on me, but I couldn't find any tarot cards that had like what I wanted imagery wise in them. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and customize my own, because I wasn't really feeling anything that I would want on me. And the ones that I was seeing, they were all, mostly like typical, tarot card information. I don't know, I wanted something more personal, so I decided to go with these images from a sketch that I had done. I was just sketching random items, and I looked at the two, like I looked at the dog and the pyramids, and I just kind of fell in love with the way that it was looking. I love what they symbolized in like Egyptian culture, and just, I don't know, I wanted that on me. I want a couple Egyptian themed tattoos, but I wanted this one specifically. It's gonna go on my bicep when I do get it. I think that's where I envision getting it, so that's probably where it's gonna go. And yeah, now I freehand as much as possible. Like I said, I just kind of think about it or see it and just kind of go. When it comes to my drawing, usually I like to look at a picture of something that inspires me. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all the tarot card that inspired me to make this drawing. I kind of glance back at that a lot too, just trying to see like the vibes, because tarot cards do have like a certain aesthetic to them visually, so I wanted to kind of be true to that. And yeah, and I wanted mine to be like burned and ripped and stuff, just like the one in the picture too. There are like a lot of perfectly done ones that looked really classy, and just, but I don't know, I wanted mine rugged. I wanted it to look like it'd been through a lot, like it'd been, I don't know, stepped on, burned, all of the above. I don't know, just like a bunch of crazy stuff. I wanted it to go through the most, but still like be strong and be beautiful and be bold and all that. So I'm just going to hand draw all the bricks on the front, and on the side I'm going to draw like zigzags, because I like the differences in texture. Not because I'm lazy, just because for some reason I like doing the zigzags on the side of the pyramid. I don't know, it gives it this look that fits what I was going for, so I just kind of went for it. And these are my alien ships. All of these are in the sketches, like the sketch clips. And I just like the way that looked too, so I was like, you know what, that's coming along. I'm not gonna lie though, this is really, really sloppy, but it was super early, so I wasn't trying to perfect it. I was just trying to like make sure I had the idea in my mind. I just kind of wanted a sort of like rough visual of it. So a lot of this is super messy and like super quick. Like I'm not really taking my time. I'm just kind of like trying to create the visual I see in my mind, so when I go up there I can show the artist what I want and he can like take it from there. Now I would draw my own tattoo from scratch and like just have him stencil it on me too, but I kind of want to see what the artist is gonna do with the image I give him, because y'all are gonna see when I'm done, but there's like a space at the bottom and I could not figure out what I wanted there. I still don't know what I want there, but I definitely want something there, I think, even if it's like more like texture, like lines or dots or something. I don't know, it's meant to be sand, or at least that's kind of how I see it in my head. This tarot card is kind of in the middle of the desert sort of setting, sun rays and all that, pyramid, all that, that's what I envision. So but yeah, anyways, y'all could just watch, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like every now and again, because I know this is not the best angle, which I didn't realize until later, but hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Like right now, I'm just kind of going over everything I already had down. This is something I like to do a lot when sketching, is just kind of going with a soft pencil and rough draft first, and then kind of go in and like reinforce that with like harder lines and just really tracing it. And I did this so you can see as well, because I could see it, but I knew like the camera wouldn't pick up just like, ashy pencil lines. So I made sure to like go over it a couple times. I would have even used a Sharpie pen to make it even more authentic, because the lines on tarot cards are like that. They're thick and they're bold and they're like outliney, like they stand out. It's not just like a picture, it's like outlines of I don't know how to explain what it looks like to me, but yeah. So I kind of wanted to replicate that with like bold lines as well. And yeah, So anyways, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me work, because at this point I'm just kind of fine-tuning and adding details. But this is the blank part that I was talking about at the bottom. I don't know what I want there. Like, it would be too busy if I were to add more pyramids. I'm not sure if I want more trees, or if I want the dog to be star of attention. I keep saying the dog, but there's a specific name for it and a whole history behind it, and a whole, like, it's very symbolic, this particular dog. So yeah, y'all can get into that if you want, but yeah. And right now I'm just kind of adding background stuff, background images, just to make it pop. I don't know, I'm not gonna have all this tattooed on me. I just want the tarot card, but something about leaving the rest of the page blank just kind of bothered me. So I'm just gonna draw a couple quick sketches of some things that I thought were pretty cute, or some things that I just had in my head, or yeah, super random. Just like, I'm just trying to fill up the page at this point. But with the images done, that is my next tattoo. When I get it tattooed, I'm probably gonna post it or you guys are gonna see it anyway in a picture or something. So yeah, but that's it. I'm just gonna let y'all continue to watch me work, and thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. Comment down below what you want to see next, or comment whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. By the way, this is one of those moments where you like draw something thinking it'll turn out well and it's trash, so you're like, I quit. Yeah. Literally, I tried to draw a wolf, which I previously had done pretty well. But I don't know, I couldn't get down with the way it was looking. It was looking really, really bad. So I was like, you know what? Forget it. We're not even gonna do that. Also, y'all, this picture was actually the inspiration for what I'm drawing here. I just tweaked it a little. I didn't know why she had the dots underneath hers, so I didn't want that. But I did want flames and water or blood drops. I don't really know what it would be, just drops. I wanted to represent both the liquid and the fire element in what I was drawing. So, yeah.